Is making money from home with a laser actually achievable? We've been getting a lot of questions like this lately, and it seems like a lot of people want to know if making gifts from home is actually worth the time. So I decided to take you through a few items of our catalog to see how much the total cost is, what the profit margins are, and how much time they actually take to complete. I will do this for 7 items from our listings, so you can decide if you want to try out this line of work. We will be looking at prices of raw materials, prices of labor, including time and labor spent, and profit margins, to hopefully give you a comprehensive understanding of how the personal gift business works. Well, at least from our perspective. This is going to be part 1, and in part 2, we are going to take a look at how to position our product in the market and how to attract attention. After we've selected our item, we are going to engrave it using the Icube Ultra, in this case. It's a home laser that's going to run you around $350, but you can get a discount by using our promo code in the description. Whatever laser you pick, you are going to need a working area big enough for your items, so always keep that in mind. So, I'm going to take you through how we engrave on a couple of items, what those items cost as far as materials, and the eventual profit that we make from each item. And this is what we're going to be personalizing today. So while it's engraving, I'm going to tell you a few things about how we estimate the cost of a single item. According to current trends in the EU and the US, the average cost per hour of packing and gift wrapping, as well as simple manufacturing of gifts, that is to say gluing, packing, sanding, etc. of all the homemade gifts, is around $20 an hour, when basing our calculation on minimum wage. From this, we can extrapolate the cost of labor required to produce our goods. The machine work is a bit different as we have to account for the amortization, aka the rate at which the machine loses value through time. We can calculate that by using this formula, where we take our purchase price and we divide it by the useful life of our machine, in hours. The power required for laser engraving and cutting is actually a negligible cost per hour, so we're going to leave it out. In third place is the material cost of a single unit before we have added any personalization to it. So now we have our 3 variables: labor, amortization, and material cost. Combining them, we get our bare cost price. This is the price to which we can add our profit and plan out our product's final value. In this case, for the wallet, we have material costs at $4, that's how much one unit costs. For the labor, it took about 10 minutes, meaning the total price is about $3.50, and for the machine work, again it took about 10 minutes, meaning that we're looking at around 8 cents. The total price pre-profit in this case is going to be $7.58 per unit. Our retail price can start at around $30. And here we have our engraved wallet. I think it came out pretty well. Let's check out some close-up shots. Next up, we're going to try a keychain. Our price per unit is about 26 cents. Our labor is around 5 minutes, meaning that it's going to cost about $1.50. And our machine work is just a few minutes, meaning it's going to cost a few cents. The total price per unit is $1.78, and our retail price could start at about $8. Voice engraving is a really exciting idea we had. It's all about capturing the voice of your significant other and having it with you the same way you would a picture. I gave one of these to my girlfriend and she really loved it. So next up, we're going to do a simple plaque with a motivational quote. We actually do a lot of these. People can send over quotes or can pick one of ours that we offer, and you can also use this as a keychain. If a quote means a lot to you, you can get it as a keychain and just have it with you. Now while this is going, we're going to take a look at the pricing for this item. The cost for materials for this is about 10 cents a unit, as this one is sold in bulk. The labor is around 5 minutes, meaning that it's going to cost us about $1.50. And the machine work is again nearly negligible at 1 cent. Our total cost for a single unit is therefore $1.61. The retail price for this product can start at about $5. And here it is, it came out pretty well. We're just going to have to wipe it up a little bit to take off some of the burnt parts, and we have our quote keychain. Third object we're gonna do is actually this little keychain here. And now we have our leather keychain. The cost for materials is going to be around 30 cents per unit. Labor stands at about 5 minutes, meaning that it's going to be $1.50. And the machine work is just around 6 minutes, meaning that it's going to be a few cents, which is going to give us a total of $1.82. And our retail price could start at about $8. Next up, let's take a look at some earrings. The price per pair for materials is $1.50. The labor is about 10 minutes, meaning it's going to cost us $4. And the machine work is 10 minutes as well, meaning it's going to cost us around 8 cents. The total price so far, pre-profit, is $5.60. Our retail price can start at around $12. Next up, we have a smaller wallet or a coin purse. You can get a personalized design on this one, and it makes a great gift for a kid. This one's going to run us $2.30 for materials, again 10 minutes of labor, which is about $3.50, and 10 minutes of machine work, which is about 8 cents. That makes for a total of $5.88 pre-profit. Our starting cost on the smaller wallets can be $15. Next up, we have a personalized puzzle. People can send over a picture, we print it out, and then we make it into a puzzle. It makes for a great and very personal gift. For materials, we are going to spend 30 cents. We have 15 minutes of work, meaning that we're going to spend about $5. And for machine costs, it's going to run you 8 cents. All in all, that totals $5.28. Pre-profit. The retail price of this item can start at around $15. In conclusion, making and selling products from home for a profit is absolutely achievable. However, your results will depend entirely on how you position yourself on the market, what products you decide to make, what people need at the time, what's popular, and many other factors. It's by no means an infinite money trick, as countless other YouTubers have probably already told you. It takes work, time, and planning, but if done right, it can absolutely earn you a profit. Thank you for watching this video, and please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Tune in next week for another interesting video.